Now start new topic, that is base. First we will be start what is the base. There are two types of definition proposed for the explanation of base. First is old definition. Old definition of the bases are completely depend upon its properties. According to the old definition, substance with bitter taste and soapy touch are termed as bases. On the basis of this definition, we can't explain the basic behavior of NaOH, KOH since these substances have corrosive action on the skin and can even harm the body. Therefore, here is the requirement of the new definition, and therefore second is the new definition. New definition or the modern definition of the bases. First is the bases are the substance which can give OH negative ions, and OH negative ion means hydroxide ion. So on the basis of modern or new definition, we can say that substance which gives OH negative ions or hydroxide ion in its aqueous solution are termed as base. For example, NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base since aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide gives cation Na plus and anion, that is hydroxide ion OH negative. Similarly, potassium hydroxide KOH, its aqueous solution are again basic since it gives potassium plus, that is cation, and hydroxide ion, that is OH negative. And according to second modern definition of the bases, a base is either a metallic oxide or a metallic hydroxide or aqueous ammonia which react with hydronium ions of an acid to form salt and water. For example, Na2O, it's a metallic oxide. When react with HCl aqueous or dilute HCl, it gives sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. It's a sodium hydroxide. Therefore, we can say that aqueous solution of sodium oxide is basic. Similarly, basic hydroxide, for example, barium hydroxide BaOH whole twice, it is also a base on the basis of modern definition. Simply, third is ammonia NH3. When it is dissolved in H2O, it gives NH4OH. NH4OH again gives OH negative ion. So simply we can say that aqueous solution of ammonia is basic. So on the basis of old definition and modern definition, we can completely explain the basic properties or what are the basic substance. Simply, basic substance are the bitter in taste and soapy to touch. On the basis of old definition, but on the basis of new definition, substance which gives OH negative ions are termed as base. Now we will discuss the classification of bases. Classification of bases. classification of bases can be done on the basis of the following criteria. First is on the basis of their strength. On the basis of the strength, bases are of two types. First is strong base Sb. Sb4 strong base. Substance which give high concentration of OH negative ions or hydroxide ion are termed as base. Since basic strength, that is Kb, is directly proportional to the hydroxide ion, that is OH negative ions. For example, sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, cesium hydroxide CSOH, these all are substances termed as strong base. And second is the weak base WB. WB are termed as weak base. Substance which gives less concentration of OH negative ions are termed as weak base. For example, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. It gives less concentration of OH negative ions, that's why it is called weak base. And second classification of the bases depend upon their acidity. Second classification of the bases depend upon their acidity. Here we will discuss first what is the basic meaning of the term acidity. Acidity means acidity means the number of hydroxide ion that one molecule of that base gives on dissociation. So we can simply say that acidity means number of OH negative ions that is given by that particular base. For example, if we take sodium hydroxide, on the basis of this formula, we can simply say that sodium hydroxide is capable giving only by one OH negative ion. Therefore, its acidity is 1. So, on the basis of acidity, we can classify of the bases in the following categories. First is monoacidic base. First is monoacidic. Monoacidic base. Substance or bases which gives only one OH negative ion are termed as monoacidic base. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it gives only one OH negative ion. That's why it is called monoacidic base. QOH, it is again monoacidic base since it gives only one OH negative ions. And second is diacidic base. Substance which give two OH negative ions are termed as diacidic base. For example, barium hydroxide, that is BaOH whole twice. Calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH whole twice. Acidity of these two bases are termed as 2. It means barium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, these are diacidic base. And third is triacidic base. Triacidic base. Substance which give 3 OH negative ions are termed as triacidic base. 3 OH negative ions are termed as triacidic base. For example, aluminum trihydroxide, AlOH whole thrice. It is called triacidic base since it gives 3 OH negative ions. Therefore, aluminum trihydroxide is a triacidic base. And next is FeOH whole thrice, that is ferric hydroxide. It is also triacidic base since it gives 3 OH negative ions.